I swear my life is a sitcom. Just last night, I found my roommate, Mark, meticulously arranging our entire spice rack in alphabetical order by chemical compound. Not the common name, the scientific name. I walk in, mid-sentence, and he's explaining the crystalline structure of sodium chloride to a bewildered pizza delivery guy. Then the fire alarm blared. Mark didn't even flinch. He just calmly reached for the fire extinguisher, still lecturing about molecular bonds, but instead, he grabbed a can of whipped cream. The delivery guy, bless his soul, just pointed to the actual extinguisher. Mark, utterly oblivious, aimed the whipped cream at the alarm and sprayed. That's when the sprinkler system kicked in and the pizza guy. Like for part 2.